2011 was a turbulent and record-breaking year for mid-Michigan weather, and as soon as we rang in 2011, we broke a record high. Temperatures started off at 55 degrees in Flint and 52 in Saginaw. Moving on to the third week in the year, which is on average the coldest week of the year, Bad Axe fell down to -17 and Carroll fell to -14. Saginaw saw snow every day but 3 in the month of January. It was then the snowiest February that Flint had ever seen, with over 31 inches. And we can all remember the Groundhog Day storm that brought a whopping 9.9 inches to Flint and over 11 in Saginaw. Light snow followed a few days later, bringing snow depths past a foot. Then on the 17th, Saginaw broke a record high at 53 degrees. Flint also set record-breaking highs on the 17th and 18th, with temperatures in the mid-50s, which of course melted all that snow. But needless to say, a few days later, mid-Michigan was again coated with about 10 inches of snow. When March rolled around, our hopes of an early spring were squashed. Between March 5th and 11th, Bad Axe picked up 7 inches and over half a foot in Lexington. The winter of 2011 wrapped up with 69.9 inches of snow in Flint, which was the 9th snowiest of all time, and 70.7 in Saginaw, which was the 8th snowiest of all time. Moving on to April, where summer and winter were battling it out, we had measurable rain 18 days out of the month, and Flint nearly 5.5 inches fell. On April 10th, Flint and Saginaw both got up to 83 degrees, and then a week later, we had 1.5 inches of snow. To wrap up the month of May, I chased a storm from the west side of the state that produced a 200-yard-wide EF1 tornado that destroyed many homes and perished back over to Linwood, and I was the first one on the scene. In July, it was hot, with 27 out of 31 days above average, 14 of which Flint was in the 90-degree range. The average high temperature was 88.8, which is 6.8 degrees above normal. And on July 21st, we almost got to the triple-digit mark, but settled for 99 instead. And you may remember the story of a tornado touching down near Sanford Lake, in which a mid-Michigan teenager captured footage from her phone. That was on the 25th of July. In October, we experienced a warm spell across mid-Michigan, bringing 9 days of temperatures above 70 and 5 days above 80 degrees. November brought us our first snowfall, where Saginaw saw over 6 inches and Auburn saw 8. And so far in the month of December, it's another warm one, with temperatures about 5 degrees above normal and the lack of snowfall up until this week. And as for 2012, well, let's just say the ball is not going to be the only thing that's dropping at midnight. Temperatures will too.